Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the best Amazon kitchen gadgets and must-have tools that will completely change the way you cook at home. These kitchen finds are not only practical, but also designed to save you time and make cooking more enjoyable. And remember, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out easily. Let's get started. Electric lunchbox. This is the electric lunchbox, a convenient portable food warmer that makes hot meals possible anywhere. With its 80-watt fast heating system, this lunchbox quickly warms your food, whether you're at work, on the road, or traveling in your car or truck. It includes dual 1.5-liter stainless steel containers, giving you plenty of space to separate different dishes. The design is leak-proof and easy to clean, making it practical for daily use. Forget cold lunches or waiting in line for a microwave. This tool ensures you always have a warm, home-style meal ready. It's perfect for busy professionals, drivers, or anyone who wants healthy homemade food on the go. Corn cob stripper. This is the corn cob stripper, a simple yet brilliant tool designed to quickly remove kernels from corn on the cob. With its ergonomic safety handle and built-in bowl, it makes the task easy and mess-free. Instead of struggling with knives, you can strip kernels smoothly and collect them directly into the container. Made with durable materials and a comfortable grip, it's safe for both adults and kids to use under supervision. This gadget is a real time saver for preparing salads, soups, or side dishes. If you love fresh corn but hate the hassle of removing kernels, this handy peeler will become your go-to tool in the kitchen. Electric smokeless indoor grill. This is the electric smokeless indoor grill, designed for those who love grilling without the smoke and mess. It features a large non-stick cooking surface and an adjustable temperature knob, allowing you to cook everything from warm veggies to seared steaks. The removable water tray reduces smoke significantly, making it perfect for indoor use. Cleanup is easy since the parts are dishwasher safe. Imagine enjoying barbecue flavors year-round without worrying about weather or smoke alarms. From burgers to kebabs, this grill makes it all possible right in your kitchen. It's ideal for families, apartment living, or anyone craving delicious grilled food at home. Bread slicer box. This is the bread slicer box, a foldable and adjustable tool for slicing homemade bread, bagels, and cakes with ease. It comes with a bread box and crumb tray, keeping your counter clean and organized. The slicing guide lets you adjust the width to achieve perfect, even slices every time. Its compact foldable design means it's easy to store when not in use, making it great for smaller kitchens. No more uneven slices or crumbs everywhere. This gadget ensures your bread looks and tastes bakery perfect. Mini sauce containers. These are mini sauce containers, compact and reusable stainless steel sauce cups designed for meal prep and travel. Each 2.4-ounce container comes with a leak-proof silicone lid, keeping your dressings, dips, and condiments secure and fresh. They're perfect for bento boxes, picnics, and lunches on the go. Say goodbye to soggy salads or messy spills in your lunch bag. These cups are reusable, eco-friendly, and easy to wash, making them a smart alternative to disposable plastic containers. Sous vide machine. This is the sous vide machine, a powerful 1,100-watt immersion circulator designed for precise and effortless cooking. With its ultra-quiet motor and waterproof build, this tool lets you cook restaurant-quality meals right at home. The digital display allows you to set and monitor exact temperatures, ensuring your food is never undercooked or overcooked. From tender steaks to perfectly cooked vegetables, the results are always consistent. The slow cooking method locks in flavors and nutrients while giving you total control over texture. If you want to elevate your cooking and impress guests with gourmet-style dishes, this machine is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Cheese melting dome. This is the cheese melting dome, a versatile 6-inch stainless steel dome perfect for melting cheese and trapping heat. Sold as a 2-pack, these domes help evenly cook burgers, sandwiches, and veggies while enhancing flavors. They trap steam and heat, reducing cooking time and creating that delicious melted cheese effect you usually see in restaurants. Ninja ice cream maker. This is the Ninja ice cream maker, a fun and powerful machine for making gelato, sorbets, milkshakes, and more at home. It offers 7 one-touch programs and comes with 2-pint containers and lids, letting you experiment with flavors and mix-ins easily. Compact in size but big on possibilities, this gadget is perfect for families, kids, or anyone who loves frozen desserts. Nostalgia Taco Bowl Maker. This is the Nostalgia Taco Bowl Maker, a unique appliance for creating crispy, baked tortilla bowls at home. Designed for 8 to 10-inch tortillas, it lets you make tostadas, salads, dips, appetizers, and even dessert bowls with ease. Just place a tortilla inside, and the machine crisps it into the perfect bowl shape without using oil. The non-stick surface makes cleanup simple and fast. It's a fun and healthier alternative to fried taco shells. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying Taco Tuesday, this gadget adds creativity and flavor to your meals. HotStar Jar Opener. This is the HotStar Jar Opener, a multi-purpose tool designed to help anyone struggling with jars, bottles, or cans. Especially helpful for seniors or people with arthritis, it provides a strong grip that makes opening stubborn lids effortless. Its heavy-duty build and non-slip design ensure durability and comfort. With this opener, you won't need extra strength or risk hurting your hands. It's compact enough to store in any drawer, yet powerful enough to handle various lid sizes. For anyone looking for convenience and independence in the kitchen, this opener is a small but life-changing gadget.